Hi, it's Miss Camille, and I'm here today to make something with you. It is QuestCon week, and we have some QuestCon crafts for you. And you can get almost all of the supplies you will need to make our crafts by stopping by the desk at the children's room, or by giving us a phone call. We can set aside crafts for you for pickup curbside. Okay, so you will see almost everything you need is in this bag. All right, do you want to see what they are? The first craft that we are going to make today is a superhero. It's a really fun clothespin clip. So you can see, look, it is Super Mary. Miss Mary is the one that put these wonderful crafts together for us today. And the second craft, you might recognize this guy. It is BB-8 from Star Wars. So you will have everything you need to make both of these crafts, other than something to write with or color with that is black. So either a black crayon, a black marker, a black pencil, black pen, something to write or color with that is black. We even have an orange crayon for you to complete BB-8. And if you want to decorate your superhero, you could grab crayons or markers too to help decorate the cape or the body of the superhero. So let's get started. So I took out all of the supplies that I'm going to need to make my superhero here. You see I have my clothespin, and I have a couple different choices for my superhero face. I've got 2 choices for hair, and I've got an orange mask, and I kept out my orange crayon because it is one of my favorite colors, and I'm going to make my superhero body orange. I've got some eyes and my cape. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color my superhero body orange before I glue anything on. I think it will be easier to color it now, right? So I love orange, and it doesn't really matter which side of the clip you color or choose to put your superhero on, right? So there. Then I'm going to make my face. So I'm going to choose this face here, and I'm going to choose this hair here. And Miss Mary even provided us glue sticks, so I will put some glue on the hair and my fingers, right? And give my superhero some hair. The eyes, which eyes do I like? I kind of like these, so I'm gonna use these eyes. Very fun. I could make another face, right, with the extra supplies. The eyes. And then I have a black crayon here. Because my superhero is very happy, I'm going to give her a very big smile. All right. And then uh-oh, look what I did. I put my eyes on before my mask. Do you think I can fix this? I can. I can put my mask on. We want our superhero to be able to see, right? So we'll put the mask on here and then cover it up with the eyes. All right, there. Now I can put my superhero face right here. And this is going to be Super Camille. And I will put that right here. I'll tuck it under her chin there. Then one of the points facing up for my cape. this. You might want to put some designs on your cape. There. I love her. So I've gathered the supplies to make BB-8. We have our paper plate, and we are going to color on the side of the plate that you would eat off of. I've got my semicircle and a big rectangle and black and orange crayons and my little fastener here and my glue stick. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the decorations on BB-8. So if you look at the picture, I'm going to kind of make my decorations look like this. So I'm going to put one big circle in the middle. And color. All right, now I'm going to attach my semicircle to my rectangle, like this. There. And now we're going to attach it here. So I want to poke a hole right about the middle of my plate. And you can use the brad to do this, like that. Just poke gently, or you can get a grown-up to help you if you want. It can be a little tricky. And then I'm going to poke a hole in this part here so that I line up the edge of the semicircle with the edge of the plate. So if it bends on you, you can get a pencil or something. Like I'm going to probably grab something to poke. Let's see if I can do it. Poke, poke, poke. There, I did it. Otherwise, you can get a pencil to poke your hole, all right? And then fold it down like that. And there. Very fun. My brad could be a little bit more towards the middle so that this goes around evenly. See how it's a little hidden here? So if you do a good job of getting your brad in the middle, your fastener in the middle, it will spin a little more evenly, but it's still fun. Well, thank you for crafting along with me, and remember you can pick up your supplies at the desk in the children's room, or you can call us and we will put them aside for you for a curbside pickup. And I hope you have the opportunity to enjoy some of the other fun QuestCon activities we have going on virtually at the library this week. All right, thank you, bye-bye.